You built a real store, with real products people want, but the way buyers find those products just changed again. More of them skip the search bar entirely and snap a photo of a jacket on the street, a lamp in a cafe, a part they need to replace, and the AI finds the closest match it can read. If your images are weak and your data is thin, that match is a competitor, not you. Subscribe right now, because I break down one buyer behavior shift like this every week, and this one is moving fast. In this video I show you the exact fixes that get your store found when a buyer searches with a picture instead of words. First, understand what shifted. A keyword search reads the words on your page. A visual search reads the pixels in a photo, identifies the object, and looks for the closest products it can confidently recognize. That means your carefully written title matters less in this lane, and your product photography matters far more. Buyers are already doing this inside Google, inside shopping apps, and inside AI assistants that accept an image. Stores that treat images as decoration lose here, because the machine cannot match what it cannot clearly see. The first fix is the photography itself, because it is the raw material the match engine reads. Use higher resolution images, shot on a clean, uncluttered background so the object is easy to isolate. Then add multiple angles, front, back, side, and in use, because a buyer might photograph your product from any of them. If you sell something people encounter in the real world, include a lifestyle shot that looks like how they would actually snap it. One flat catalog photo gives the engine one chance to match. 5 good angles give it 5. The second fix is the text the machine reads behind the image. Every product image needs descriptive alt text that names what it is, its color, and its key details, not a file name like image_4. Fill in the structured attributes too: color, material, category, style, so the engine can narrow a visual match to the exact variant. This matters because visual search is going multi-step. A buyer snaps a photo, then types like this but in green, and only a store with clean color and attribute data can answer that second request. The metadata is what turns a rough visual match into the right product. The third fix connects your store to every surface that runs visual and AI discovery. Keep your product feed complete and current, with images, prices, and availability that match your live store, because a stale feed gets you dropped from the results. Add product schema in your page code so any engine can read your price, rating, and stock without guessing, and make the whole thing update automatically, so a new photo or a price change flows out to Google, your apps, and the AI assistants the same day. Manual updates fall behind, and behind means invisible. The fourth fix is measuring it like a real channel, because most stores have no idea how much of their traffic already comes from an image. Tag and track sessions that start from visual or AI discovery, and watch how they convert against your keyword traffic. Since visual searchers often arrive with higher intent, then find the products that never get matched and ask why. A missing angle, blank attributes, a photo too busy to read. Each one is a fix that puts a product back into the results. You cannot improve a channel you refuse to measure, and almost nobody is measuring this one yet, which is the opening. So here is how I can help. If you want to know exactly where your store is invisible to visual and AI search, I run a 72-hour audit for $497 and hand you the product by product fix list. If you want the images, alt text, metadata, and feed rebuilt to win those matches, I do that in a 14-day sprint that starts at $3,500. Subscribe, because next week I take a real store and make it findable from a single photo, start to finish.